Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Fresno. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top, there's address bar. You need to type down pay traffic ticket online in Fresno and enter it. So from the search result here in the top, there's this website, Fresno Superior Court. You need to simply select this. And once inside this homepage here, scroll a bit down. And you can find this pay your traffic ticket here. Select there. Over here, what you need to do is you need to select this find your case here. So from here, what you need to do is you need to enter your case or the ticket number here. And after that, you need to select the search. And after that, you need to follow the instruction here. You can enter the amount that you want to pay. And after that, you can submit the payment and you can save or email your confirmation received. And that is it. That is how you can pay a traffic ticket online in Fresno. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.